Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到香香手工，我是香香。本期我们一起来用折纸做一个糖果。
I'm afraid I'll never be strong enough to carry me. Such a long and desert ride, so quick ahead, so few beside. I don't think I've ever felt a peace when I am by myself. These darker rooms and silences leave most of us afraid, I guess, and hoping with each passing bliss we'll feel it all a little less. Hoping with each passing bliss we'll feel it all a little less. The best things are the hardest sell. We mostly love then run like hell. It's easier to let it go, to leave before you're left alone. So everything looks like a foe, and every bow feels like a blow. Everything looks like a foe, and every bow feels like a blow. Maybe I've said far too much. These stories aren't for young and trusting little souls who fall asleep with foes and blows drawn in their dreams. So take a breath and let it be real. Say it's all just make believe. Take a breath and let it be real. Say it's all just make believe. I'm afraid I'll never be strong enough to